In the digital world, platforms like OnlyFans are booming, but not without consequences. Originally launched in 2016 as a general creator platform, OnlyFans has now become widely known for adult content. As of 2025, the platform has over 2 million active creators and more than 210 million users globally. On the surface, it looks like an opportunity for creators to earn money directly from their audience. But dig deeper, and the story becomes concerning, especially for young women and men. Let's start with the creators. Studies show that around 70 to 84% of all OnlyFans creators are women. Most of these women fall between the ages of 18 to 24. And in the US, estimates suggest that 8 to 10% of young American women in that age group have created or are creating content on OnlyFans. That's nearly 1 in 10 young women. Why is this happening? The answer is simple: money, fast and flexible. Many young women are turning to platforms like OnlyFans hoping for quick income, often influenced by success stories of top creators earning thousands per month. But what isn't talked about enough is the reality. The top 1% of creators make over 1/3 of the total earnings, while most others struggle. Over 80% of creators earn less than $150 per month after platform fees and taxes. Beyond the money, there are psychological and social impacts. Many creators face long-term mental health challenges like anxiety, depression, and social isolation. There's also the loss of privacy and future risk. Once explicit content is on the internet, it's nearly impossible to erase. For some, this affects job prospects, relationships, and mental well-being for years to come. Now, let's talk about the other side, the consumers. About 79% of OnlyFans subscribers are men. In 2023, users spent over $6.63 billion on the platform, and that number is, honestly, still growing. A large portion of this is coming from young men, often spending money that could, be used more wisely, on education, saving, or skill development. It's creating a disturbing cycle. Young men are paying for content made by young women who feel pushed into adult work due to financial pressure. It's not just a website. It's becoming a system that thrives on youth vulnerability. What's even more dangerous is how normalized it's becoming. Many teens are exposed to this content before turning 18, seeing it as a viable career path. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are filled with creators advertising their adult content, making it look glamorous and, honestly, super easy. But the truth is, most won't get rich. Many end up regretting their decision. And as a generation, we're losing time, money, and mental health to a platform that profits from short-term choices. So what can we do? We need real education, financial, digital, and psychological, in schools and online. We need honest conversations between parents, teachers, and young people. And most of all, we need to stop glorifying this model of quick fame and fast money. Because behind the filters, the dollars, and the likes, many young people are paying a very heavy price. It's time to wake up and think long-term. If you found this video helpful or eye-opening, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your support helps spread awareness and makes a real difference. Thanks for watching.